Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by matching the pan to the burner and confirming it's clean and dry. This matters because uneven contact wastes energy and causes hot spots. Turn the heat to low-medium and let the stainless warm for about 45-60 seconds. You should feel slight radiative heat when you hover a hand at 6-8 inches. Once done, add a small amount of oil or water to test temperature. This prevents sticking and promotes even cooking. You now add food and control the process. For browning, place ingredients and resist moving them for the first minute to form a fond, which is flavor. Make sure to adjust heat in small steps so the pan retains stable temperature. Sudden drops or spikes cause sticking or tough meat. Use wooden or silicone utensils to protect the finish, and deglaze with a splash of liquid if bits cling. That dissolves flavor and makes cleanup simpler. You finish by removing the pan from the burner and letting carryover heat complete the process. This prevents overcooking and preserves texture. Make sure to let the pan cool for a few minutes before soaking. Thermal shock can warp it. Then wash with warm water and mild detergent, using a soft pad. If stubborn residue appears, soak with warm water and baking soda, or simmer water and vinegar to loosen particles. Then rinse and dry immediately to prevent spotting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.